At this job, she was new. Tomorrow, her rent was due. Her little kid was hungry. Her husband needed the surgery. She was really terrified. She smiled with tears in her eyes. Closing door voice so feeble, she said, "Put money on the table." नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रेशम और आप देख रहे हैं DNP इंडिया। सो अभी आई जस्ट रेड आउट अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पोएम दैट मैंने कहीं रैंडमली ऐसे ही पढ़ी थी, डिपिक्टिंग अ सेक्स वर्कर। यस, सो हर साल इसी दिन यानी 2 जून द वर्ल्ड सेलिब्रेट्स द इंटरनेशनल सेक्स वर्कर्स डे। एक ऐसा दिन where the world honors sex workers and acknowledges the struggles faced by them. जहाँ सबसे पहले this event was started in the year 1976 in Germany after the rise in violence against them. तो ये तो थी थोड़ी gist about this day. But जहाँ India started its war against this virus in the year 2020 and हर कोई section of the society is struggling in some way or the other and large group of people were left to fend for themselves, तो क्या आपको पता है that India has a population of more than 20 million sex workers and उसके बाद भी these workers in India are struggling to be recognized as labor of workers under the labor law for years? जब हम daily wage workers की plight के बारे में तो बात करते हैं, but not about these unrecognized and ignored sex workers in India who are stuck in brothels after the lockdown. जहाँ of course पूरी country के operations are shut down and उसके बाद the footfall and red light areas turn to zero and sex workers are left without income. जहाँ these workers are stuck and the worst part is कि उनको देखने वाला भी कोई नहीं है. जहाँ अगर activists and non-government organization जो currently are working for the welfare of sex workers की सुने तो उन्होंने ये clearly बोला है कि many of these were struggling to meet their financial needs and dealing with insomnia amongst some other health issues. And अगर NGOs अपनी साइड से भी कुछ help कर रहे हैं then it's just not enough. They do not have the money to pay their rent, finance the education of their children and ensure food supplies for the entire month. जहाँ अगर NDTV की एक रिपोर्ट को देखा जाए तो financial problems, not being recognized and considered equal in the society के साथ साथ domestic violence से भी उन्हें गुजरना पड़ता है। जहाँ पिछले मंथ ही 2 sex workers were killed by their partners because they were frustrated over the loss of income and their own alcoholism. जहाँ COVID has also forced them to change. जी हाँ, with business being hit badly by COVID-19 pandemic, these workers have diversified their services routing through the internet as well. Where the women have shifted to WhatsApp-based or internet-based techniques where pictures are being shared with clients or they are even supplied in massage parlors in small hotels or lodges in an appointment-based pattern across cities. But उसमें भी they face a lot of payment problems and issue जहाँ their clients pay half the amount than the pre-existing rates. पर हाँ, some of them have stopped offering these services online as they fear that there is a risk of being recorded and their videos getting leaked online. But बाकी who are in desperate need of money this time have to go about this. Where some brothels still get customers and उसी को continue रखने के लिए these sex workers have been doing temperature checks and screening customers for symptoms when they enter the district. जहाँ अगर कुछ studies को देखा जाए तो some of these workers are forced to leave their profession and opted for migration and some are not even able to collect 3 meals a day. This is actually heartbreaking. And it's actually shocking that they're not even considered or covered under any government schemes and incentives. Like why? They're also humans and need to be recognized and identified. They're also a proud citizen of our country and so have equal rights. So it's important that steps must be taken to help them. So this International Sex Workers Day, it's our appeal to the government to please help these individuals as well, because they are also truly and rightly a citizen of our country and do deserve it. So if you like today's segment, then please do like, share and subscribe to DNP India. Please share this video as much as you can. Even these sex workers need to be recognized. Please, it's an appeal. So please do like, share and subscribe to DNP India. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Keep watching DNP India.